To be a Villanovan means to be part of something bigger than yourself.
The Augustinian heritage defines what we do as a community.
We're constantly changing, we're trying to stimulate change, and that's what the liberal arts education can do.
I really wasn't sure what I wanted to study, but I knew I loved to learn.
I decided to come to Villanova because I was looking for a place that provided me an education, but would also allow me to pursue my passion for swimming.
I think everyone at Villanova is just really driven to be the best person they can be. The point of having a liberal arts education is to become a well-rounded person.
When I first came to Villanova, I knew that I was going to find great teachers. But what I didn't expect was how involved they'd be outside of class. Whether it's independent research, or office hours, or going on a service trip, they're always available and willing to help the community.
It really becomes an exchange of ideas. I know that I definitely gain a lot every semester from hearing my students engage with material that we're working on, engage with texts, read them, respond to them, even have difficulty with them.
Learning about documentary filmmaking is totally different than actually sitting down with your professors and doing it.
It's just something about, getting that kind of one-on-one interaction with the students.
We're kind of in a sweet spot at Villanova. We're large enough that we have resources that faculty and students can actually get things done, but we're also small enough that students don't get lost in the mix. There's a really important interaction between faculty and students that happen both in a classroom and in a research lab.
When you learn something in the classroom, you learn it, but when you actually get to do the experiment in the laboratory, you really understand it.
On a daily basis, it's the undergraduates that are in the lab and undergraduates that actually go with me into the field. I think that's one thing that's unique about Villanova is we give our students that opportunity to do that type of high-level research. At a bigger university, your graduate students and PhDs would be doing that work.
For me, studying abroad was an eye-opening experience. Living in Rome, studying a new language, and then finally working at the Vatican was incredible.
In addition to being able to learn about a different culture, they're able to turn around and look back at the United States and look back at themselves through this other perspective that they didn't have before.
What you really see with students is you see their world opened up.
Everyone at Villanova is driven.
There's always someone motivating you to think outside the box.
To inspire students to see the world differently.
Inspire yourself, inspire the people around you to build a better world, to build better societies and better communities.
The Villanova community extends way beyond Villanova's campus. Whether it's doing a weekly service site project or going on a service break trip, we're interacting with people to see how we can ignite change in the world beyond this campus.
Looking back, it isn't until my final semester that I realized everything that I have learned. And for me, my experience abroad has made me realize everything has come full circle in my Villanova experience.
College really is not about necessarily just the grades or the work, but it's about the discoveries that you make along the way.
The College of Liberal Arts and Sciences has helped me figure out what I'm passionate about and given me the tools to really go after and achieve my dreams.
The College of Liberal Arts and Science has challenged me to think critically, to think independently.
To look at a problem from different perspectives to find that solution that you know has to be there.
The College of Liberal Arts and Sciences has taught me how to be a confident leader. I really have found my niche at Villanova.